we can share our Google form with others, and how we can add collaborators in our form, and how we can analyze the data that we get in responses. Yeah, so let us start with sharing part. So suppose this is the Google form that I have created, and I want to share it with some people. So for that I will of course need the link. Okay, so go to this send button, tap on this, and we can send it via mail, we can send it via a link. So generally we use this link option. Tap here and you can shorten this URL and say copy. Once you copy, you are free to paste it anywhere you want. You can create QR code of that form, you can share it in Padlet, classrooms, or anywhere you want, or you can mail it to some person. Let us mail it to share it. Okay, so I have copied it already. I will just now mail it to myself as of now. So wherever you want, however you want, you can do that. Okay, so as of now I mail it to myself, mail it to me only. Okay, okay, now sharing a Google form and collaborating with others is different thing. Like sharing, people will just able to see your form, they can respond to your form. But if you add collaborators from here, if I click here near three dots, I will see this option, add collaborators. So collaborate, people can see the responses of your Google form if you add them as a collaborator. People can edit your form, they can put their inputs there, they can edit that form if you add them as a collaborator. Otherwise they will not be able to edit a bit of your form. Okay, so if you want to work with people around, just add them as collaborator. Okay, so as of now you will see this box. If I want to share this with some person, so I will just put the name here. As of now I have chosen the person to whom I want to with whom I want to collaborate, and then any message I want to put, I can put it here. Okay, whatever your message is, you can put it here. Okay, and now say send. Okay, so this is how you can give access to other person to your form. Now the next thing, we will see how to analyze our data. Okay, see how to check the responses that we get in our Google form. As you can see, there are three tabs: questions and your responses. The number of responses, you can see it here only. So I got 11 responses. Click on responses tab. So the best way to see all the scores along with the student name is go to this view in sheets. If you want to see the student responses in Google Sheet, here it is. So you can see the date and time at which the form was responded, and you can see the total scores here only along with their names, and also you can see the question wise responses of the students. The another way to analyze the data is, like if I want to see it in infographic format, so I will click on summary, and you can see these infographics right here the question wise infographic is also given. So you can see 90.9% has responded the correct answer, point X for my first question. For my second question, I got 9 correct responses. For third question, I got 9 correct responses. Fourth question, I got 10 correct responses. Okay, so I can visualize from here only. Next, I can see these responses. If I tap here on the question bar, so you can see the question wise responses. For example, if there is only one question or two questions you have put as exit ticket, suppose find center. Okay, this was my first question of my exit ticket. I will see I got 10 responses which were correct and they scored 1 score. Okay, and here there was one response which was incorrect, and if I want to see who has responded the question wrongly, so I can tap it here. Response number 3 has answered wrongly. So response number 3, if I click here, I can exactly see Lokesh Avjite. This student has answered wrongly to my question. Okay, so you can see the responses. You can analyze that data question wise, who has responded correctly, who has not. So it is very easy to gauge it from here only. If you want to see the individual responses, like particular student, like you can see from here below this summary button, I can see the different responses. So the very first response, I can see Siddhi Kale. Okay, and she has responded the form like this, and I can easily see, like you see the answer paper of your student. Okay, so first question she did it correctly, second one, third one. Okay, so I can see all the questions she has done correctly. I can go for next response number 2. I can see how many points he has got. 5 of 10 points. Okay, so Parth scored 5 points out of 10. So where did he stuck? I could easily see from here. So he is not clear with tangent. No, then arcs is the point where he stuck. Okay, so this is how I can see the responses. I can analyze my data. Yeah, I hope that's helpful. Thank you.